Mustang Coupe. There's some really nice people here. I really enjoy doing these shows. They're very just professionals, welcoming, and a lot of good people that are willing to be here and talk to you about these vehicles that they're showcasing here at the show. So I really do recommend coming. It's a good experience. And there's the Rubicon. I got to show this Jeep because it's really cool. All right, let's go photograph some more Mustangs and I'll put them up on Instagram. But the Rubicon's pretty cool. I like it. I'm shooting video. Well, this is an awesome car. I'm going to shoot video. I was just going to take a picture, but I'll go spontaneous. Look at the paint job on this car. It's a 2019 Ford Mustang GT with a really incredible paint job. It's really subtle. I'm hoping the video is picking it up, but you see the stars and stripes, guys, in the paint? That is really nicely done. Yeah, it's being picked up already. CJ Pony Parts. I know these guys. Good stuff. Good parts. But it's a CJ Pony Parts car, and you guys knocked it out of the park with this paint job on this GT. I love this car. I will have one someday. Yes, I will. Awesome. Interesting too with the gold rear view mirror. Interesting touch. Well, it was a great show. As you can see behind me, I stayed till 10 o'clock. I'm tired. I guess I'm feeling 54. It was a great show, and really nice people, great conversations, great cars, and a lot of video.
And attention please. The auto show will be closing in 5 minutes. Please make your way to the exits. Again, the auto show will be closing in 5 minutes. Please make your way to the exits. Thank you.
See? I told you. Stayed till the end of the show. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos to come. It's been a pleasure serving up more videos about cars and Mustangs and people, and I hope you enjoyed them as much as I enjoyed making them. Again, thanks for watching Mustang Medic, and until next time, stay safe out there. Keep the rubber on the right side of the road. Rubber on the downside? Something like that, you know what I'm talking about. Well, I had a great time at the show. It was awesome, a lot of nice people. It was an adventure. Of course, I only got like 5% of the show, but it was a good time, and I hope all of you enjoyed it, and know that you're appreciated. Here at Mustang Medic, I thank you for your interest. I hope you enjoyed the show.